Yes, welcome to this tutorial. We want to use Siemens numeric to create a program using ShopTurn. So this is the controller for numeric machine. So we want to use it to create a program in ShopTurn. So let's go one by one. Ensure that you have loaded your machine, or you have started a machine so that you have this display. We want to go to this time machine mode, but we want to create a program. First of all, ensure that you create tools. We have our auditor for 55 degree. This 55 degree. So each one should be 55 degree. Then you have finishing for 35. Grooving at the same time for parting. Then you have threading. You have twist drill. Then you have DNMG 110304, which is the same as this one. Okay, so these are the tools we have created, but I want to go direct to program. So go to program manager. You have the NC folder and also the local drive. We want to create on local drive, and then come to new, then write your name. For example, you can try test 2. We are using ShopTurn, so you have ShopTurn, we have program guide. So we want to use ShopTurn, so click OK. In this ShopTurn, expand the cycle. So here we want to put our G54. Then ensure they don't describe. Here we are using cylinder. Our stock is 50 diameter. This is amount for facing. Then this is the total length for the workpiece. Then this amount for the area that will be cutting, and then here incremental for safety along X, and then incremental safety along Z, and then here use the machine. You click on teach so that you can pick the values. Check here to 1. For example, you can put 1 or 1.5, and then here down cut, then click accept. From here, that is for description of the material for facing. And then now come to turning, click on stock removal, then change here the parameter. Ensure that you select the right tool. So we want to use the first tool here, then click OK. Come here, ensure that you are using the machining. Okay, then click change here from longitudinal face. Put the amount of the stock material, which is 50. The amount to face is 0.5. And then here the amount to cut beyond this region. You see this region. Then here I can put 0.25, the half of this one, or this one I can put 1. But remember, if I put 1, I have to put here a smaller value, maybe 0.3. Okay, then accept. But I will have to come back to this one, also describe that the amount of face was 1, so that it should be the same. Accept. Then from here you want to go to contour editor. So come to contour editor, click on new, then write here any name, for example contour 1. Accept. This contour, our diameter is 20. It has a chamfer of 1.5. Accept. Then we go to horizontal line. Click here horizontal line, change here to Z, put Z minus. Our value is 1.5 plus 1.5, 1.5 plus 12 plus 8 plus 1.5, then plus 8.5, which is this is minus 33. So you go to minus 33. This is 1.5 is 3 plus 12, 15. 15 plus 5 is 23 plus 10, that is 33. Then click input, so you have a horizontal line, then accept. From here we go to vertical. You can put here X as maybe 22, for example. Here accept. I'm not putting a chamfer here, for example. And then from here we go to horizontal again. We want to put Z value from this point, which is this is 33 plus, let's say plus 5, so you get 38 minus, you get 38, that is plus 5, input. So this is the value we have, but remember it has a chamfer. It has a chamfer, so this one should not be this one. You see, you're going vertical, and then you need to go to a chamfer, so you pick the chamfer, not that one. Then put x as 30. So we're going to put x as want to put x as 30, for example. Input z, I can put minus 38. Input. So this is what we have, and then accept. Then from there we go to horizontal now. Horizontal, our z, we can put a z from 38, that is 38. I'm following a symbol sketch here. 38 plus 10, we get 48. You can put here minus 48, input. So this is what we have, and then accept. Then come to this radius, change this radius to clockwise, then put the radius as 5. We have a radius of 5. Input. Our x value is 37.14. Input. Then our z value from this 10, that is 48 plus 4.79, so you get 52. Put minus 52.79. Input. It gives you this. So you need to select which contour. So I can click select direct, and then accept. Once I get this one, I accept. Then we go to another contour. I want to add another contour here. Change now to this is, you can change this one to anti-clockwise. Put the value as 2, for example. Then x here, we can put the value for x as 40. Input. Come to z. Z can be now 52.79 plus 3.29. So we get minus 56.08. Input. It gives you this sketch. So we click on select dialect, so it gives you this, then accept. From here we want to go to but this one we should give a correct value. Yes, we go to horizontal, accept. Then we go to horizontal. From this horizontal, there's a value here. I will change the value, so don't worry. We go to horizontal, so our z can be now plus so this one I want to change this value because the way the curve is not good. So it should be 56.08 subtract 3.29. I should get 52.79. So from this I have to add plus 1.2 1.92. So here should be minus 54.71, so that we get the correct curve. You see now this is a correct curve. Then accept. From there we go now to horizontal. From this horizontal I want to add now. From there I'm adding plus 3.29, so that here I'll get minus 58 here. Okay, you see, accept. Then we go to let's say a taper, for example. I can put here x as 44. Input. I can put the angle. That's it. Sorry, this one, remove this one. Put the x as 44. Then come here on the angle on the z. So we are adding 2. So this one becomes minus 60. So put minus 60. Then click input. You see it gives you this. Then accept. From there go to horizontal now. From this horizontal we have minus that is 60 minus 80. You have minus 80. Input. Accept. Then go away for safety. So x here is 50 because we had put for the stock. Sorry, cancel here. You need to put here, not the other one. Sorry. 50. Accept. So this is for safety. Then accept. Once we do that, we have the contour now. This is the powerful software for programming, actually, which is same as numeric, which is used for programming Siemens. Accept. Once we have this one, we need to put now the G71 or G72 using the contour. So click on this one, then select the tool. We are still using this OD1 first tool, and okay, then here come here, put rough. So we want to put rough, change his parameters like this. This was okay. So here is 50, 50. Okay, there's no undercut. Accept. Then click edit, copy this one, then paste, then click this icon, change here to finish now, change here to finish, then select the tool for finishing, pick this one as finish tool, and then accept, like that. And then from there we need to put grooving operation, grooving. So click on this one, then groove, pick the second one. Groove should be second tool, so pick the tool for grooving, this tool. Okay, then come here, both of them. So you're doing roughing and finishing using the same tool. Okay, then here I want to groove starting from 22. So then here I need to go to minus 15. Then here the groove width is 8. Then the our T1 absolute, the diameter which will be cut, that's groove depth. So groove depth we can put as absolute. If we put incremental, we put the depth. Then here we come here on FS1, it has a chunk of 1.5. Then FS4 has a chunk of 1.5. Then this one, the depth of cut, then the finishing allowance. So in case because we are doing roughing and finishing using the same tool, then we accept. From here we want to go to threading. Come to thread again. Now pick the tool, select the tool here, select the tool for threading, this one. Okay, then come to this. I'm having M20 by M20, so I want to pick the standard one, isometric. I have M20, so pick here M20. I have M20 by 2.5, but because I don't have 2.5 here, my drawing has 1.75. What I do is I say here none, then I put here 1.75, and then G, there's no G here. I want to put this one, same tool for finishing, put it linear. The diameter on the thread is 20. They put it Z0. How far is it going inside? This is 15 plus 4, I'll get minus 19 or even 20. I put minus 19. Then this one put like 2 safety away. This one put 0. This one you can put the formula, that is 0.65 times 1.75. Then click input, it calculates the depth. The angle put 29.5. Here number of finishing allowance, so I can put 2. Then here put do okay, like that. Then accept. Then from there we go to the last one, cut off. I want to use the same tool for cut off. This groove because it's not big. Okay, then for cut off, come here. We're cutting off at 50 diameter. The length is minus 80, where we are parting off with this chamfer at the starting point. Absolute diameter, where it is start now reducing diameter one by one. The feed rate as it cuts down as it goes, then accept. From here we can now do a simulation. We can now simulate. You will see what it will be doing. So here is now doing simulation. I can put side view or maybe more views, for example, so you can see what happens. So this is what we call ShopTurn. So we have done a ShopTurn. So here you see it has gone into the other side. So we can change even the parameters so that we can say maybe we are doing a thread on that is only 15, that is 12, 15. So you can come to click edit, then go to program, and here the thread. So go to thread, then click this icon, then change to minus 15 only. Accept, click input, accept. Then now click on simulate. You can click the first one, then click on simulate. You will see how it does the simulation. So this is what we call ShopTurn, programming using ShopTurn. You can see how it does. So this is ShopTurn simulation or programming. Yes, ShopTurn programming. You see now you have put a thread here, then part of. So we have this program. You click on edit, click here edit, go to program. You will see this program, how it looks like. This is the what you call ShopTurn. The header, the stock removal for facing, and then here the contour, the stock removal roughing, the stock removal finishing. For example, on this finishing, I can even pick the tool, change here the parameters so that you can do finishing. Then here for grooving, threading, then cut off. Or you can even rearrange. If I click here enter, it give me a space. Give them space. That's the beauty of this. Then I can click here and then say renumber. Then say 10 by 10 renumber. So the program can renumber. When it is that simulation, it is able to give me where the error is depending on this number. I can do again simulation so that we can counter check if the program is okay. Once okay, we can now transfer this program direct to our machine. Then from there we do setting, then we cut. As you can see the contour, so it is doing facing. From this facing, rough turning. From rough turning, it comes to do finishing. From there, grooving, and then it comes to do threading. Then lastly, it comes to do part off. But remember here there is a chamfer. So this chamfer is not visible. So how do we put this chamfer to be visible on this end? Because I've put a chamfer on diameter 50. I need to put a chamfer on diameter 44. Should be on diameter 44. So what do? Click edit, then go to cut off, expand here. Then the chamfer diameter should be on 44, not 50, because it will not give the right chamfer. You see now the chamfer is now okay. Accept, then do a simulation. You will see now the chamfer, when it's doing part of it, it will be putting the chamfer once it does the part of. I can show here maybe I want to show further half of then like this, so that you can see. You see now it has put the chamfer here. So this is how you can rectify the program. So this is how you can write the program. This is a contour. You can see this is a contour. This is now the contour. Then it has done the parting off. So the grooving, then parting off. So this is what you call ShopTurn programming using numeric Siemens 828D for 828D. In case you need more training on this to understand how to write program in Siemens, you can call us. We are located in that area. We'll show you how to do this program. Once you do this on the you do simulation and you have set your tools on the machine, now it's up to you now to run. So you can reduce this feed rate, then click on execute the program. Once you do execute the program will come automatically here. And then when you start running, ensure let me go back first. Let me go back the program. I want to show you a tip. For Siemens, if you run from this side, it will go direct to the card. So you have to position your cursor here, then click execute, so that it starts from the starting point. Then from there, it automatically changes to automatic. And then from here, you click cycle start. When you click cycle start, the machine now starts cutting from the facing. Now this is doing facing. It goes to stock removal for the contour. You can even now start increasing the speed to 100% on feed rate. Once you confirm now the safe, able to cut to 100%. Then from there it goes to stock removal for finishing, grooving, doing grooving. It can come do threading, then lastly cut off. Very simple. This part will take only 5 minutes to finish. Less than 5 minutes to finish the program. This it has already done the machining. So this is simple way of programming using numeric 828 or 808 or 840D. I'm using spindle 1, that is for live. This is the live spindle, then master spindle. Okay, this is how you program.